Hi, my name is Mel and I'm a manager in Unosquare's project management office in Belfast. So my background is a little different. I didn't start in software. I actually came from a financial background. So I worked as a financial analyst working with banks, global banks, and their anti-money laundering and things like that. So I kind of changed directions and I moved into software. And obviously I had no background in software at all. But it was great that Unosquare supported me. They put me through qualifications. I'm trained up as a Scrum Master, and we are 2.5 years later. I'm now a manager in Unosquare's project management office. So Unosquare's project management office is basically the internal department that we manage all the projects happening. So whether it be new software we're building, new programs, new initiatives, we all manage them, initiatives within one place. So I was one of the first 10 people to start here in Belfast at Unosquare, and I've watched the company grow over the past 2.5 years, and we're up to over 60 people with obviously ideas to expand. We have lots of exciting initiatives that we're doing, obviously the social events, giving back to charity, but we're also, a new thing I'm excited about is the Women in Tech. It's a kind of a focal point that a lot of companies are trying to encourage women into tech because people are kind of hesitant to come in. They assume the roles of it, and we've got lots of exciting initiatives happening. We're going into schools, we're going into universities, and we're going to try and give back to the community and obviously try and bring some women into tech. I really enjoy working at Unosquare because there's always something fun happening. We have lots of fun social events, but also on the side that they're always there to support you and provide the next step in your career. I think anyone who's passionate about their job struggles with the work-life balance. Unosquare definitely allows that freedom with the work from home and the flexible work hours. I'm excited what the future holds for me in Unosquare.